Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi, and in today's session we are going to look into how to load items through the FBDI template in our Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management application. So in our last session we have seen how to create item in Oracle Fusion application. So when we do the app implementation for the client and set up all the configuration, so we should know about what are the items we have in our previous system. All the items we have to move from the previous system to the current system. So our current system is our Oracle Fusion. So Oracle Fusion have some templates. So FBDI template stand for the file-based data import, right? So let's move to the next slide. So this is the step to load items through the FBDI. First, we have to download the FBDI template from the Oracle Enterprise repository. And next step is to fill the data to prepare the template, right? And after preparing the template, convert the template into the CSV file and load this CSV file or zip file into the application to populate data into the interface table. And after that, we import the data to the base table. So this is the step. And let's move on to the application and we'll see how to load the item through FBDI templates. So this is our application. And first we have to download the template, FBDI template. So let's download. The name is Oracle OER. And the Fusion apps oer.oracle.com. Click on this enterprise repository. Click on the cloud application. And under the cloud application, the Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, we have the ERP, SCM, HCM, and we are going to implement under the supply chain and manufacturing. So click on this inventory organization, inventory management. Click on all books and let's go to the implementation section. So this is the implementation section and this is the file-based data import, right? FBDI for the SCM. Click on this HTML link and this is the file-based data import file. And under the product lifecycle management, we have the option item. Click on that. So this is the import item along with its child entities and relationship associations and the categories also. So we have a link of item import template. Click on that and click on download file. So the file gets downloaded. Click on that. Okay. Click on enable editing and also enable content, right? So we have the instructions and the CSV generation. The first step you can see. So this is the overview. It's give the overview of the template and one option. This is the one option is generate CSV file, right? Let's move on to the second sheet. We have some data, sample data. So scroll left and scroll up. Here you can see the sample data for items interface, right? We have more sheet. We have the more sheets like item revision interface and the category. So different sheets can have the information. You can fill the information in different sheet and you can associate the item with the category and the revisions, right? But right now we are going to insert only the item information over here and this is a second sheet of this template, right? So let's select data and it's related, and some raw data we have. So this is the transaction type. So we have a create, update, and synchronize. So right now we are creating a new item in this template. So go with the create. And this is the page ID. You can provide the page ID and the page number. Let's enter page number over here and the item number. We are not giving item number over here right now because the item number is generated as per the rule, as per the um, item management you can give in the item class. When we create the item class, we define how the item number generated. It is user defined or it is created automatically by the system. So right now I'm not giving any number because it is generated by the application automatically, right? Let's delete it. And this is the organization code. This is nothing but a item master, where the item master organization where the items gets created. So let's enter the item master. I have already created in our application in our previous session. You can see, go and see that, and you can learn how to create the item master, right? This is the description for the item. So I'm going to enter bearing 1, and this is the template name. So how can I put the template name? So let's go to the application. This is the application, and go to the navigator, and in the product management, go to the product information management. So click on this task and click on create. So let's select one organization. This is the organization name we have already mentioned in our template. And this is the item class we have already. This is the, yeah, right. This is the item class. So this is the template over here. You can select any one of them and you can mention any one of them in the template. So this is the purchased item. So let's enter this one. This is our file template view. So I'm going to enter purchased item. Right, is the template name over here. Let's enter how we recognize data bearing, right? And the source code is not required. And this is the item class name. So have to define the item class name. Go to the application, and this is the item class name over here. And paste it in the item class section, item class name. And this is the primary unit. So we have to define EA. EA is the primary unit of the measure. And this is the life cycle phase. Can define copy it. And this is the active mode. This is the finish code every. And now let's delete all the information from the sheet, because right now we don't have required this information. We fill all the required information, right? Let's delete it. Okay. And So let's select one more, some more data, right? So this is the pairing over here. So this is one and this is two. And let's copy it, drag, right? This is the purchase item, all the templates, and this is the pairing. This is our item class name. This is our unit of measure. You can fill required information, and as per your previous system, you can define, right? And go to the next sheet, and all the sheet are some sample data, so we have to delete it. First, it creates error when we upload the sheet in our application, so we have to delete it. Delete all the information from the remaining sheet. Delete it. Again, select, delete. Can delete it. Go to the revision. Select all the data and remove it. And this is the revision. Translate. Delete it. This is the supplier, item supplier interface. So when we insert the supplier information, so you can insert over here, delete it, and again delete this one. Again, we have want information, and I think this is the large sheet. Delete. So we have don't any other information except the first one, right? So let's go to the instructions and CSV generation and click on the generate CSV file. So click on that and the CSV file gets generated. Let's save it on the desktop, create one folder and item FBDI and save it. So it generates all the sheet in the zip file. A single zip file created, it generates single zip file. Under the zip file, all the sheet are generated. CSV and zip file have been created. Okay, right? Let's move to the application where this is our application. Let's close it. So close it again and go to the navigator and scroll down, go to the tools and go to the schedule process. So we have to populate, we have to upload the data, the file. Click on this schedule new process. Now we have to find a task. We have to search a task. Name is load interface file for import. Enter. So now click on OK. So this is the process detail over here, the import process. Click on the and search for the process called as import process. Import this item import. Search for that. Click on this option and scroll down. Scroll down the options, this import item import. Click on that again. Go to the item import. This item import. And click on this data file. So if we have to upload a new file, choose this file and we have a desktop and we have the this item FBDI. Click on that and upload the zip file. Open this file and click OK. Now we have to submit it. So click on submit. 5354. Okay, the process number is 5354. 5354 ready. And the 5354 process ID status is running. And the 5354 post for the other schedule process. So we have to refresh it again and again till the status gets succeeded. It's 5354. Again, refresh it. You can see over here the load interface file for import 5354 gets succeeded, right? Now we have to perform one more schedule process. So again, click on schedule new process. We have to again, so click on this navigator and again go to the tools and schedule process. And click on this schedule new process. And search for the task name is let's search the task name is import item import and click enter. Now select the first one, item import, click on OK and again OK. Now we have to select the organization. So we have to search for that. Search, the name is Tata. Search for that and select the Tata item master. Okay. Now click on submit. 5409, the process number. Refresh it. 5409 is the import item and the status is post. 5409. So refresh it because some more information from more process first gets succeeded. And after that, 5409, again refresh it. Refresh it again till the process gets succeeded and the status gets succeeded. Now you can see over here the item import, the process ID 5409, the status gets succeeded. So let's check the data, the item we loaded by the FBDI template. So in order to check, click on this navigator and the product management, click on this product information management. So click on this task, manage items, and search by the description. Search it. You can see over here the data bearing, the description we give to the insert into the FBDI template. All the data, all the items gets loaded into the application, and this is the item number. It generated automatically by the application, right? So this is how you can upload data through the FBDI templates. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.